A very good evening, Team Zimbabwe. Masquera say. So, there is chaos in the Parliament of Zimbabwe, and according to Zimlife, they say absolute scenes in Parliament as CCC MPs sing and denounce Speaker Jacob Mudenda for recalling 15 of the party's MP. They say illegally. Police have been battling and failing to throw out the MPs for an hour now. So these are the CCC MPs who are actually in Parliament, and they are leading a mass resistance at the Parliament building. And according to this report, they are singing and actually chanting, denouncing the Speaker of Parliament. These recalls, they are illegal. Under normal circumstances, there is no way you will hear about the president of a political organization being overpowered by people without any position. So the CCC is clear. It is led by Advocate Nelson Chamisa, and it is led by cluster leaders. It is led by designated appointees who are actually there. The likes of Comrade Amos Chibaya, we have champion Fadzai Mahere, was the former spokesperson. Comrade Dostalos, we have Promise Mkwananzi. These are the people who are in the top echelons and structures of the CCC. There are people who have identified themselves as cluster leaders, people who have been leading clusters in each and every province. Each and every province does have cluster leaders which are there, and you go down to the districts, cluster leaders are there. You go down to the constituencies, you go down to the wards, you go down to the villages. Everybody is represented by cluster leaders. All these cluster leaders are not involved in this bogus process which is happening. President Nelson Chamisa moved around Zimbabwe canvassing for support in the recent weeks, and he was meeting the leadership of the CCC, the real leadership of the CCC. But it is what it is. Members of Parliament have been recalled. We've seen a letter which purports to be expelling President Nelson Chamisa from his own party, which he founded, which he is a founder. So who is that useless SG who is telling us about a constitution? Which constitution is he quoting? Which constitution is he using? Because the CCC constitution has not been made public. It is within the hands of the leaders of the CCC. So it's quite scary to see what is happening and to understand what is really happening. But I believe that everything is going to sort itself as time goes on. They were here in Parliament macho, but they will not receive any salaries and allowances as we shande usual. Okay, so can see atina zororo panyika hevatema. Okay, panapa namhla eParliament kuyachaza. Okay, so can see. So those who look at Zimbabwe, there is massive resistance from the Parliament building. CCC MPs are actually refusing to acknowledge the bogus recalls being orchestrated by Shavangu and the ZANU-PF cabal led by Mudenda from Parliament. So it is what it is. Let us talk in the comment section, and we are going to continue to watch and see what is going to happen next.